running buddies, what is up? It's Amanda. Today, we're going to discuss the Noxgear 39g wearable Bluetooth speaker. That's right, a lot of words for a little device that packs a punch, or as the box says, a kick. So let's get started and take a look at this awesome speaker. So here is the Noxgear 39g. That's a 39-gram wearable Bluetooth speaker with a kick. On the back of the box, we'll find some facts about this little thing. It is cutting-edge compact speaker with an N52 neodymium driver that kicks out 104 decibels, which is pretty loud. I mean, some concerts aren't even that loud. Easy to control. We'll look at these large buttons that it has that'll be easier to work while we're running. Has a 12+ hour battery life. Lightweight, 39 grams. Even in the box, it's extremely light. It's waterproof with an IP64 rating, so you're protected from some water as well as dust. Hands-free, you can take calls on the go. There's a sport clip that is included on it. It's quick and secure, great to attach to something like your shorts. It is Bluetooth 4.2 capable, so you sync that with your smartwatch, your phone, anything that it has that capability. It is rechargeable with a micro USB charging cable, which is included. It has this really cool magnetic clip. We're going to take a look at that. So that allows you to essentially connect it anywhere. The headphone jack. So if you do want to untether from your phone, maybe you're running on a treadmill, that's a great option. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside the box. Welcome to Noxgear Nation, and on this side, we'll see you can get this order free. This is true for all of the products on Noxgear's website, so all you need to do is take a picture of whatever item you buy, post it on social media, make sure your account is not set to private. Use that hashtag Noxgear. Inside here, then we have the charging cable, that micro USB. You'll just need your own wall wart, but everything else is here. Pretty easy. And then, of course, there is a user guide. I'm going to show you the different ways that you could wear it, how to wear it with the magnet or with the clip. It's also going to tell you every little detail, every button, what the different modes are. Also shows the magnetic mount here, so you can actually keep it stored on a fridge or anything that's magnetic. And of course, designed by Noxgear in Columbus, Ohio. Their customer service is top notch, so head to their website. You could contact support@noxgear.com or call them at this phone number. And now let's take a look at the device. So here it is. Again, it's pretty small. There we see that clip. So it says slide with thumb. So you slide it down and it comes right out. Now you can just use the clip here. Very magnetic, very cool. We see all the buttons we're going to need, as well as a headphone jack and the charging port. So let's get this device connected to our phone. You're going to hold down that center play pause button.
Noxgear 39g activated. Battery good.
Now we'll go into our phone and head to the Bluetooth menu, and it should show up here. There we are, 39g.
Connected.
Easy enough. Now let's see a little bit of the sound quality. So it's pretty quiet right now, but we can, of course, turn up that volume.
El Paso was where we met.
Yeah, I'd say that's a pretty quality speaker. And of course, we've got the forward and backwards buttons as well. We'll play the next song. It's great because the controls are so easy to access. If I get near traffic, increase the volume. If I'm in a quiet area, I just decrease it. So yeah, highly recommend. It's very lightweight. It doesn't move, it doesn't bounce. 10 out of 10. Loving it.